Will getting a muffler lead mess with my miles per gallon on my INFINITI q50 3.0T? Yes, a muffler lead will mess with your miles per gallon, bro. When you remove a muffler system, you remove weight. So that also means you're going to get a better miles per gallon because you have less weight on the car. And if you didn't know, removing the muffler system on these cars isn't really going to make your car any louder. As you know, the catalytic converters and the turbochargers mute the volume of the exhaust sounds significantly. The factory exhaust is a little over 1.5 inches in diameter on these cars, so when you remove just the muffler system, you're not really going to hear much of an increase in the exhaust note.